Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can export your Snapchat photos to your gallery. So what you want to do is first click on your Snapchat profile picture at the top left of your screen and click on the setting icon at the top right. Now once you're in your settings, you want to scroll a bit down and click on this option called memories. Now from inside memories, first you want to click on this option called auto save my story snaps. Once you click on it, make sure you choose auto save to memories. Once you choose that, go back and click on the option called save button. From save button, make sure you choose memory and camera roll. So whenever you save snap, it just doesn't get saved on your memory, it gets saved on your camera roll as well. Once you do that, you can go back and you have basically done it. So I'm going to click a random snap over here. So after I click a snap, if I want to export this snap in my device, what I just need to do is click on the download button at the bottom left of my screen, and it's just not going to be saved on my memories, it's also going to be saved on my snap on my gallery. As you guys can see, it's in my gallery as well as on my camera roll. So that's how you guys can export Snapchat photo on gallery. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.